This video will show the cleaning procedure of the sensor while the sensor is still installed on the particle counter. Taking a 9/16 wrench, remove the upper and lower fitting, compression fitting. Now using a 5/8 wrench, remove the inlet and outlet fitting. Be sure that when you remove the fittings, the O-rings come with it. In this case, both O-rings are still inside. Take a small tweezers or whatever necessary to get out the O-rings. And put the O-rings back in the fittings. Now the fittings are out and the sensor is ready to be cleaned. Take a piece of the cleaning floss, take the waxed end. Sometimes you need to run your fingernail over it to make the wax end slightly thinner. Put the waxed end through the sensor cell until it comes out the other side. And if you notice the fuzzy part, just while that starts getting into the sensor, stop right there, and you want to wet it. Before you run it through the sensor, you want to wet it with cleaning solution. Now the sensor can be cleaned. Notice again, you've got a fuzzy portion in the center, that's the cleaning portion of the floss. Continue to pull the floss all the way out, and now get rid of the cleaning solution by putting some water. Take some clean water, run it through the cell. Now the cell is washed, cleaning solution is now washed out of the cell. You can put the fittings back in. Again, be sure the O-rings are in place. Notice when they go in, you just tighten them as much as you can by hand, and then a slight more tightening to snug them up. The compression fittings now, put the inlet back on. Put the outlet fitting back on. And that's it.